Okay, so we're going to do two examples here that use the first identity, and that's the sum of two cubes. It's an identity, so wherever you see a and b, I can replace that with whatever I like, and it'll always hold true. So if you look at this first example, it looks almost identical to a cubed plus b cubed. It's just got x and z in the place of a and b, and that's all we have to think about. Um, uh, all right, so all we need to do is replace the a and b with x and z, so we get x cubed plus z cubed equals x plus z times x squared minus xz plus z squared. And we're done. That's all there is to it. So that expression on the right-hand side over here is exactly the same as the expression on the left-hand side. They don't look the same at all, but we could put any value for x and z in here that we like, and we'll get the same value, the same end result as putting in those values in the left-hand side. All right, number 2. All right, so 8x cubed plus 27z cubed. 8x cubed plus 27z cubed. Now, before we go straight across to the right-hand side there, if you look carefully at the identity, a cubed plus b cubed, that's something cubed plus something cubed. There's no 8 out the front or 27 out the front. We've got to think of these two values as some whole thing cubed plus another whole thing cubed. And so we need to write 8x cubed. We need to recognize that 8x cubed can be written as, in brackets, 2x all cubed. And 27z cubed can be written as 3z all cubed. Now we've got something cubed plus something cubed rather than something times something cubed. So now you can think of what's in the bracket there, think of that as A, and think of this as B, and then wherever we see an A and B, we write either 2x or 3z. Okay, so we end up with this. We get A plus B, well that would be 2x plus 3z times, I might run out of room here, now I've got to do a squared. Now a squared is going to be 2x times 2x. So that's going to be 4x squared. Then I've got to go, all right, minus a times b. Well, that would be, oh, come on. That would be, so a times b would be 2x times 3z, and that would be 6xz. And then plus b squared would be 3z times 3z, that's 9z squared. And there we go. That's it. There's our expression done.